I went ahead and connected those instrument wires directly to the ES according to the diagram, and now it is collecting. This takes some time, so I'll actually put my stopwatch and find out how long it takes to get the file. One minute. It is actually 2:48. Started collecting at 2:47. 2:47, 2:52. So that's 5 minutes, and we are only at 54%. 2:58. We started at 2:47, and we are now at 98% collection. 100% at 2:58. So about 11 minutes. So this is the collection. We are going to save this file. Remember how the file is labeled. 2025 is the year. There is 2025 twice. 0116 is the date. 0116 is the date. So twice the year and twice the month and the date. We are today, January 16, 2025. All right, so I'm just going to save this file. Also, I'm going to save this file at 2:59 a.m. Save it. So we save the file. If we save the file, it's because we are going to use it in the next step. We're going to say okay, and then we are about to calculate password. So we are going to click on upload, and we are going to choose the file that we just saved. Remember, we saved it at 2:59, so this is the file right there. Click on it, and then click on open, or click twice. It is going to connect to the server. Upload data successfully. Please click on carry results. So we're just going to click on OK, and now click on carry. So this is the second step for the password calculation. Now it's going to start calculating password. So now we got a password. It didn't take a whole lot, like less than 1 minute. The longer step is the step that we've been doing earlier. It took about 11 minutes, and then now we got a password. It's the password right there. Upon getting the password, we are going to click here on copy. Okay, and then we are going to click on here, generating key file, and then we are going to paste the password. And upon pasting the password, as far as those information is the type of key we are going to program. Notice that the V051 is the remote key, the type of key that we're using. V041 is a smart key. And then click load ES file. It is 303. And then the key file is going to be generated. We're just going to save key file. The key file is being generated successfully. So from this point on, we're just going to write. Now that we have the key file, we're just going to come back to read and write key. Remember, I told you the steps are 1, 2, 4, and 3. So do not forget to paste the password all the time. And then now we need a key, a virgin key that we are going to insert in this hole. And then we are going to read the key and reset it just to make sure that the key is virgin. And then from that point on, we are going to write onto it. So I got a virgin key. Okay, virgin key. I labeled the plastic bag so I don't lose it. They all look the same. I did the same with those other keys. I'm going to insert the key here, and then I'm going to click on read key. And after reading the key, we are going to click on reset. Reset successful. And so we are just going to click on that. After resetting the key, what we're going to do is write correct. We're just going to click on open file write. So if it's a smart key, it's a 41 format, and if it's a remote key, 51 format. That's what I was telling you earlier. When writing your original key, please make sure it is white by CGMB. Otherwise, the write will fail. And that's what we did earlier when we reset it. And we are going to click on OK. And now we need to find the key file. Remember, these are all the keys used. We can either choose number 5, or we can choose a key that is farther than that. So let me go ahead and choose, for example, number 8. Okay, but I'm going to pick 51 because this is a remote key. It's not a push button. And I'm going to open. And it is writing the key. This is successful. This is successful. Now we are going to confirm that this key can now operate the EIS. Okay. So I'm going to disconnect those wires, plug the analog, and insert the key into the EIS. The analog should detect if the key is really programmed and release the EIS so it can turn. If not, it's not going to turn. So I remove those wires. Key still in the slot. Remove the simulator key. Plugged the ESL to the OBD, and then connected the W210 connector at the back of the ECU. So what I'm going to do now is remember